birthday.
Yeah, clearer than this.
One of Alex's twins, Crash. One of Alex's twins wasn't alive at first, and she like got up and like went to that place, you know, because like after you have a baby, you don't like get up or whatever like, for a while.
Fly it directly into the light, child.
She got up and went to that place, the NICU place, because she like wasn't breathing.
She was fine.
Yeah, where are you going with this story?
Yeah, you don't tell horror stories.
I'm just
Horror stories. Oh, horror.
No, that's for inside.
Tommy McFlynn's
And Aiden, you can so tell.
Don't be scared of it, no. Don't be scared of it.
Clear of it.
the one that you babysat.
It's got a Hemi in it.
No, they live in Texas.
Just go real slow at a time.
There you go.
No, Aiden and
Put it in Grandma's hair.
And he's so chunky.
There it is.
What's fun now, huh?
Just telling you this is a baby story. I don't know.
Shotgun, right?
Where's the gun at?
I should have known on that too. Phil shot. He goes, "Oh, it's got a good bite to it." He shot that thing. Ow! You remember his face? Remember his face? He turned around. Ow!
And then one put on my shoulder, I know it's gonna kick.
Isn't there something that you can do like a guard that you can have it put on it or extend into it?
Yeah,
Oh, it's
There's
not
a
on it.
yeah.
Hold that down.